On your web browser, go to the 3D Jump Infinite login page and sign in with your username and password. You will then access your personal 3D Jump space. The home page displays the applications and your recently created and used personal projects. The left menu provides access to available applications, as well as previously created assets. An asset is a context creation saved by yourself or collaborator. Each asset has its own menu allowing you to view information related to it or manage its operation. The options are detailed in Chapter 1 of the Learning Center. Filters are available to easily navigate through previously created assets. The options are detailed in Chapter 1 of the Learning Center. Click on an application to open it. The first field provides access to the available projects. The second field concerns the project variants, depending on its update. The third field provides access to the options, automatic selection of the latest update, tags viewing. Press the Start button to begin. The original model, according to its variant, then opens with all parts visible. This model is grouped by default in a layer. See Tutorial layer. If filters are already present on this layer, they were created by the administrator or the integrator. The mockup configurations can be viewed and edited in the Configurations panel. Configurations correspond to the different versions of your model, petrol or diesel engine, different rims, etc. You can isolate or combine them. By clicking on the Management menu in the top right corner, you have the option to load an existing asset. You will then access a condensed version of the Asset Manager, in which you can perform a search. Open the project by double-clicking on it.